Labour Party was almost becoming worse than the two of APC and PDP combined. And I mean what I say.
Would Peter Obi campaign for you
in 2025?
When the elections are here, when the campaign starts?
I would love everybody to campaign for me. I would want Peter Obi to campaign for me. But if he so desires that he wants to campaign for somebody else, he has a choice. Right now, I am a member of APC. I want to fly the flag of APC. I want to win under APC. And I want to...
We had Honorable Dozier Madu, who scored 8 votes. Please, I've said no victor, no vanquish, so we'll clap for all the contestants. Honorable We have Honorable John Bosco Obina, who scored 26 votes. We have Honorable Valentine Ozigbo, who scored 67 votes.
So this is how Valentine lost the APC primaries. He didn't know that there are obedients everywhere. The obedients in APC who were angry that he decided Peter Obi made sure he lost the APC primaries. And for now, Valentine must have shot himself on the foot and become politically irrelevant for now. This is Open Whispers. Kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and please share the video. Thank you. Thanks for being with us in the arena. Like the famous American writer will always say, be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. It's Chris Diggers in Open Whispers. Thank you.